is Karen Rogers, and I have been with Revitalize pretty much since Revitalized opened. I met Dr. Durst through the yoga studio. She came over to do classes with us, and then the owner of the yoga studio came here and did treatments with Dr. Durst, and I just came along for the ride. I just love all of the people here. Everyone's just been amazing. I rely on the IV therapy. I teach yoga next door, which is how I got introduced over here. So we are neighbors, neighbors and friends. And the IV therapy is great for me because I teach hot yoga classes and I live dehydrated. And they help me get through my day. So I schedule maybe one. I've been bad lately, but I was scheduling about one a month or maybe even more than that. The IV therapy, I was familiar with it. I have been treated for Lyme disease, and that was part of my wellness journey, was getting the IV therapy. A lot of people are scared about the needles, but the staff here is amazing. I've not had a bad experience since then. I've also gotten another kind of scary treatment that I love that everybody's afraid of. I got that vampire facial, and that's all about the needles. And I have to tell you, again, the staff is just absolutely amazing. Aftercare is stellar. I always get a little follow-up through Clara, and then I've even gotten phone calls at home. Marissa reaches out to her patients. She's just wonderful. Like I said, everyone's really, really been helpful. If I've ever had a question about anything, they're happy to, they've even had me bring some of my products in from home that I've used in the past and gone through and said, yeah, use this. No, don't use this. We have something better, or actually this is better than what you have. So, or better than what we have. So they're always helpful with, the actual procedure while you're getting it done, what to use before, during, and after. And then, we can kind of continue on from there. I would recommend putting aside your fears and ask questions. Just ask all of the questions. Like I said, they're super upfront about what you might experience, some of the sensations. They've got all kinds of things to help ease your fears, topical ointments to help the pain go away, because some of the procedures are a little invasive. But honestly, by the time you get through it and the conversation is so fun and lively, at least it is with me, I've never really had an issue getting anything done. And if you feel any discomfort during any procedure, they always stop, they always ask, and they always readjust. It's kind of a work in progress as you're moving through it, just to make sure that you are comfortable. That's the number one.